Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to live chat on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone, and after doing that guys, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Shein application, where you can see you have the shop section where you can see all the items you can buy. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, we can see all the pages we can access, such as shop. Here we can see the category, new, cart, and the me or the profile option. So guys, now let's go ahead and say that we want to get in touch with customer support and we want to live chat with them. What we have to do guys, first thing is to go ahead and click the me section right here in the bottom right corner. Click on me and this will take you to this new page where you can see your orders, you can see more services and so on. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on the customer service icon in the upper right corner, which looks like a headset. Click on that guys and it will take us to this new page where we can go ahead and get started chatting with them. And what we want to do is scroll down until we find this button that says customer service. Click on that guys and it will take us to this new page where we can go ahead and get started with chatting with the bot that they have. So you can go ahead and get started sending messages to the bot, and if the bot doesn't have an answer for you, then they will transfer you to a real person that is going to give you an answer. Say something like, how do I, and it can give you some options, how do I reset my password or something guys, and the bot will give you answers. And if the bot can't give you answers, then you can go ahead and select contact agent to, as you can see the button will appear right here and you can get started with live chatting. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.